In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and color code the multi-select tool in Airtable. Whether you're organizing projects, managing contact lists, or tracking tasks, using multi-select fields can be incredibly helpful to streamline your workflow and add some visual flair to your data management. The best part is it's so easy to set up. Let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First, make sure you head over to the Airtable website. You should see the login option on the home page. Since we're assuming you're already logged in, you can quickly move past this step and proceed with selecting your database. Now, take a moment to think about which database you will be working with. Perhaps you have a project database in mind, or maybe something more personal, like your fitness routine tracker. Once you've selected your database, go ahead and click on it to open it up. This is where we'll be integrating our multi-select field. Next, direct your attention to the database header. If you look closely, you should notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will allow us to add new fields or modify existing ones. From the list of field types that pops up, find and select the multi-select option. This tool is particularly handy because it allows you to categorize your entries using tags, which can be immensely useful when sifting through large volumes of data. Now that you've selected the multi-select option, let's talk about customization. You might want to rename this field to something that best represents its function or content. A common term people use is tags, but feel free to get creative. Renaming is simple and can make your database much easier to navigate, especially if you're sharing it with others or working collaboratively. With your multi-select tool ready and renamed, it's time to define the options that will appear when you use it. On the interface, look for an Add Option button. Clicking this allows you to create your desired categories. Think about the labels or tags that would make your setup more intuitive. For example, if you're organizing a list of personal tasks, you might include options like urgent, in progress, or completed. Finally, to truly make your Airtable stand out, consider adding a splash of color to your options. To do this, simply click on the drop-down arrow beside each option you've created. You'll find an assortment of colors to choose from. Select the ones that fit your theme or personal preference. In no time, you'll have a visually appealing and efficient multi-select field at your disposal. And there you have it. Congratulations on setting up your new multi-select tool in Airtable. By blending functionality with aesthetics, you've taken a big step toward better organized data management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy using your newly customized Airtable database. Until next time, keep exploring and maximizing those productivity tools.